All right. So today we're going to talk about data catalog and data governance, some comparison. But before I jump on doing some comparison, I want to talk about a scenario here. Based on that, we'll move forward and we'll talk about comparisons of a catalog and governance part of our data catalogs. All right. So, guys, please subscribe to Day One Dev channel. I know, as I called out, I have a 90% of people or unsubscribed people. I'm seeing a lot of activity. So, but I highly suggest if you can subscribe to Day One Dev channel. All right. So let's get into our use case, and I'll illustrate when to choose the data catalog and data governance. So I'll talk about a scenario here. Let's assume you're a financial institution called Day One Dev Bank and operates in a highly regulated environment because all banks should operate in a regulatory environment and manage a vast amount of customer data and customer accounts. The organization pretty much recognizes the need to improve data collaboration, ensuring the compliance, the financial regulations, and provide a transparent view of availability of data assets to different teams, different line of business, you can call that as. All right. So data catalog implementation is improves data discovery and accessibility. So similarly, the team also faces some challenges like to locate and access relevant data for analytics and reporting, and some lack of a visibility into the relationship between the different data sets, and ineffectiveness in data exploration and analysis due to fragmented data sources. So to overcome this kind of a challenges, technically we use the data catalog and to recollect all this what we discussed previously. So the catalog is to create a centralized inventory of all the data assets and to maintain metadata management and enrichment to provide detailed information about each data set and easy to search and exploration capabilities for users to easily find and understand available data. So that comes to our basic benefits to quickly we can discover and access relevant data for their analysis and also improves the collaboration as a team to understand available enhancements, data exploration, faster decision makings and all. So coming to data governance implementation, generally we use to ensure a compliance and responsible data use. Some of our challenges that the organization generally faces are lack of defined data policies and standards, unclear roles and responsibilities for a data stewardship, and concerns about data security and privacy compliance. So that's where it falls under some of our key components towards defining and document data governance policies and standards, establishing roles and responsibilities for our data stewardship and implementing data security measures and across our controls. So this all this monitoring and enforcement compliances with the regulatory based on regulatory requirements. So these are technically in this use case, which is a day bank, we talked about scenario to overcome certain challenges. It's technically both data catalog and data governance is ideal, right? So the data catalog provides a practical solution for improving data discovery and accessibility, while data governance framework is to ensure the data is used responsibly, compliance with the regulations, and adheres to defined policies. Together with a catalog and a governance, pretty much they create a robust data management environment that supports a collaboration, transparency, and compliance within the financial institutions. By choosing both data catalog and governance, Day One Bank can achieve a balance between making a data easily accessible for various teams within LOB's line of business and ensuring that the use of a data aligns with the regulatory requirements and internal policies. So now coming to our detailed comparison, I do based on a use case scenario, which I brought it up, if you have any questions, please comment on video. I'm happy to respond to your comments. And if you come up with a new use case, please share in the comments. I love to hear your part of a discussion on this. Right. So coming to the data catalog, the tool and system organized indexing and providing a metadata about data assets. And coming to the governance, generally overall management framework, ensuring data quality, security, and compliance. And catalog objective is to facilitate data discovery, enhance collaboration, provide the metadata for usability, and data governance is ensuring responsible data use, defining policies, establish roles, monitor compliances. So now coming to the key components of a catalog, automated data discovery, metadata management, search data lineage, and all. And the governance part is going to be data quality management, metadata management, security, privacy, and stewardship. Right. So the roles coming to the catalog-wise, data stewardship, data consumers, data architects, the people who use the roles are data analysts. Taking all these guys plays a role. In a governance perspective, the governance committee within an organization or regulatory teams and executives, business users, and IT professionals, they'll be getting on it. So coming to the specific focus on making a data assets discoverable and understandable, how the data has been aligned, and governance perspective, broad focus on overall health, integrity, and security of an organization data. So data catalog are tools that implements and support aspects of data governance. So technically and governance perspective is the complementary data catalogs are integral components of supporting data governance. So you have to get on this part is technically catalog and governance go technically hand in hand. So they are not, you need to have both the products to achieve robust data management and data governance to emphasize complementary nature in ensuring effective data management within your organization. All right, I hope you're clear on this, and if you come through a new use case, how you're using in your data catalog, data governance in your organization, I'd love to hear from you. Please post in the comments or fill the Google form. All right, thank you. Have a wonderful day.